Good night. I would like to introduce you to a wonderful program for playing MP3. Here is GG. Hey, the fact is that my favorite deadbeef audio player has stopped developing for reasons I don't understand. The latest version is dated somewhere 2011th year. In the MP3 player, I am primarily interested in farts, whistles, as in Windows players of the IMP type, and simplicity and convenience. Many audio players originate from Faber 2000, which, as it were, does not come out under Linux, but there is under Windows. Here is such a simple interface as if migrated under here are some players. I'm turning on Audacity. Initially, of course, he was a whine for similar, but I literally don't remember which version he started from. He started hitting just like that. Here we have version 3.4.1. We will now see what is here. By the way, we have the option to enable the classic whine interface, right? Oops. We turn on a simple classic interface and turn on the equalizer. Yes, that's what we get. Cool. I just remember the 98th Windows and my youth. There's like another player like that, right? It is called to the MEMP. You can even connect to wine skins to this player. As for Audacity, I do not know. I will not use wine on a similar interface. I am quite satisfied with this interface. And sorting, for example, by track number, yes, by album. Pretty cool thing. So, this is a search. There is a search to add, random order, service sound, right? Play the blue disc. Let's drive, list, sort, define, delete duplicates. Quite a functional thing as it were. So the effects, echo, frequency converter, Misha channels, smooth transition. I'm interested in a smooth transition. I have import lists, output, increase volume. I'm interested in the equalizer, right? Oops, that's what we need. I think you will have a desire to try this player. I can say something else, that it devours very few resources. Much less than the same lobster or even clementine. Have a nice day.